CNN Ivan exclusive for the first time on Indian television, the newlyweds, Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza.
They're in conversation with our editor-in-chief, Rajdeep Sardesai.
But I must mention here that she was around when it was happening. So it happened and...
But you know, when you saw, I know it's the past, but when you saw the media, for example, you know, every day raising questions, when you had so many cameramen and people outside your house, when your passport got confiscated, when an FIR was filed, was that difficult for you did you feel that maybe, you know, this is extremely difficult to handle?
I was always in confidence because I told her everything, and I told Mama Baba everything, whatever happened, and I think it's past. And even when they took my passport, I was confident because police came and they asked questions, and I think
you know, because Shoaib, the only reason I want to raise this is that, you know, this marriage has become such a big story in both countries, and the entire episode became, you know, I was in Pakistan last week, and everyone would ask me, will Shoaib actually get married to Sania? So it almost became a national issue. So did you feel the pressure? Did you feel the pressure that of the marriage?
Well, my concern was only to make them happy. I'm talking about Sania and my in-laws. So my concern was that I always knew that they know whatever happened, and I was confident.
And you saw this as a mistake of the past. You felt, you were quite honest when you spoke. You said, I had made a mistake. And therefore the talaqnama and, you know, was all necessary, you believe, to rectify the mistake. We learn from our past mistakes.
I think we have decided and we finished on compromise. So I think it's...
You know, the media even reported that there was 15 crores involved in the compromise. It became...
The media reported a lot of things that were not supposed to be reported, and I think I'd like to add here...
So that was not true? All that was all exaggerated?
No, of course not. And like I said, I mean, you know, we have reached a settlement, so it's wrong on our part to come out here and give a candid interview about what happened.
But were you affected? Sania, as a woman, were you affected that Shoaib had this kind, I won't use the word relationship, but that he had been married before, in a sense, a telephone nikah nama?
Like I said,
did it ever cross your mind?
No. I mean, you know, it's tough to explain when you can't really speak up about it, a lot of things. But like I said, we knew, I've said this all along, we knew what the truth was. All along, we knew what the truth was, and whether there was...
So it was not, at no stage had Shoaib betrayed you in that sense?
No, never.
You didn't see it as a betrayal?
And I think, you know, like those 10 days or 11 days, whatever it was, we didn't have a single, alhamdulillah, we didn't have a single argument, we didn't have a single fight, we didn't have a single... irritated moment with each other. I think it made our relationship much stronger, and I think having passed what we did, I think a lot of people don't pass that in 25 years of marriage of what we have in the last 10, 11 days, and in full public view. You know, we were in front of the whole world, and we had to come out of that together, and we did.
You know, you tell me about the relationship. Let's look at the positive side. Where did you all first meet? Because I've heard two versions. One is that you met each other first time 6 years ago in Dubai, and then I've heard that you all met each other about 4 months ago in Australia.
We did meet 6 years ago, but every person you meet 6 years ago, you don't start a relationship with them.
You saw him for the first time 6 years ago?
No, we met, we were introduced, but again, I mean, I was introduced to the whole Pakistan team 4 years ago, that doesn't mean I'm marrying everyone. So, I mean, the minute I, you know, said, oh, they asked me, when did you meet them first? I said, oh, I met him first 6 years ago, and then they started, oh, it's been going on for...
So when did it start? When did you first realize that this is the man I want to spend the rest of my life with?
I knew him from before, obviously, because we had met a couple of times, and that's about it. And I knew him as Shoaib Malik, and he knew me as Sania Mirza. And then in Hobart, they happened to be playing a test match, and I was playing a tournament, and me and Dad actually, and my trainer was sitting at dinner. and he entered with a teammate of his, and he suddenly had interest in tennis. So he came. No, he wanted.
So
to
he made the first move. We've got to get this right.
Isn't that normal?
Who made the first move? Shoaib or Sania? Come on, she's saying you made the first move. Do you accept that? That you were the one who went?
Look, if someone elder sitting and you know them, so it's your responsibility to go and say salam.
So you came to meet her dad.
Oh, you went to meet her dad, is it? The route to Sania's heart was through the dad. But